Hi, this is Brian from JBS Printing, and this is a quick walkthrough as to the ordering process for our Keller Williams note cards. The first step that you have to do is go to the quantity section, select the quantity that you want, either 100, 200, or 500 note cards. Once that's selected, you can move on to the Enter Info for Note Card field, and this is where you're going to enter your name, phone, email, website, or some combination, whatever information you want on the back of the card. The back of the card, you can see in this picture right here as you blow it up, would be this area right back. So this is the front panel. Once it's folded over, that is on the back panel is where the Keller Williams logo and your contact information is going to be placed. There's another back panel image here that can kind of give you a zoomed in image. So this is the back panel, has the Keller Williams logo and your contact information that you'd like to have on it. Again, you can have your name, phone number, email, website. If you just want to have your name and phone number, that's fine. Name and email, that's fine. Whatever combination you'd like to have is not a problem. So essentially, you're just going to write in the information that you want to have on the back panel. So we're going to put our name, going to put our phone number, going to put our email, and we're going to put our website. Once you complete that information, you're going to go to the return address part of the input fields. Now, with most companies that offer fold-over note cards and note cards for real estate agents, you'll notice that they typically give you blank envelopes. Here at JBS Printing, we give you actually personalized printed envelopes, which makes, obviously makes it a more cohesive set, as well as you don't have to waste your time writing out your return address, return info on or placing a label on it, which can sometimes look a little bit unattractive. So this is basically what the back of the envelope will look at. It prints on the back flap, has your logo, and it has your return address information. Again, you can put just your address and state. You don't have to put your name if you don't want to, kind of whatever combination typical combination that you'd prefer. So basically, you'd write your name if you want to have your name on it. You would put your address, and then you would put your city, state, and zip code. Once that's complete, you just have to agree to the JBS Printing Terms and Services. There's just a little blurb here that says once order is approved, we won't be held responsible once you approve your proof for any typos that was missed when you went to proof it. So it's always very important to double check your proof to make sure that everything is correct on each card. So basically, you want to add to cart. That will bring you to your shopping cart. And once you can double check, just to double check the information here. This is the information that's going to go on your note card. This is the information that's going to go on the return address. Agree to JBS Printing's Terms and Services. And this will have your subtotals down here. Once you confirm that everything is correct, it'll bring you to your billing and shipping fields. Billing, obviously, if you just put the billing address, and if it's the same thing as the shipping address, it'll just pre-populate right there. And you just scroll down to the bottom, proceed to PayPal, and place your order. Once your order is placed, you will receive a proof within 48 hours of your envelope and your fold-over note card. Once you reply with an OK to print, or if you have any changes, we have no problem if you notice a mistake, or if there's something wrong, or if you want to change something before the proof is approved, we'd be happy to make those changes and resend another proof out to you. Once you approve your proof, the print time is between 2 to 4 business days. And then we ship everything UPS ground, which can also be up to about a 5-day, depending on where you're located in the United States. We're located in Massachusetts. That's where the origin shipping is from. So if it's California, that's a 5-day transit time. If it's Florida, some parts of Florida is a 5-day transit time. So it's usually typically between 2 to 5 days for shipping. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 781-871-4705. Or you can email us your question at info@jbsprinting.net.